Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and on today's episode, we're going to tear apart a diff. So, stay tuned. Now, as I said, on today's episode, part 3 of the mystery engine teardown, we're going to be tackling the diff assembly. This should be a relatively short episode. The diff is not super complicated, but what we're going to be doing is tearing this all the way down to the bare skeleton so it can go off and get cleaned with the rest of the gearbox parts. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, as I said, today's episode was going to be a short one. The differential itself is not a very complex piece of machinery. It does a lot of important stuff, but it's not that complicated. So after getting this off and taking a look at the pinion gear and the final drive here, these are the two gears that actually deliver basically all of the power from your gearbox to your wheels. We have a 1663 gear here, which is a 3.9 ratio gear. Blech. Do not want that on a 1275. It is super, super high ratio, which means you'll get off of the line lickety split. In fact, you'd probably be spinning tires, but you would just you'll just lose out a ton in the top end. So this is getting out of here, and we're gonna probably pick up a 3.1 for this setup. It seems to be kind of the happy medium between everything. And in a 1275, the 3.1 should be perfect. Now, if you have any questions about this episode or anything we did in this episode, feel free to post those in the comment section below. But until I see you guys on the next episode, enjoy those minis and motor on.